This tutorial will guide you on how to utilize YouTube links to teach during live classes in Link Classroom. Once you are in the live class, click to upload and select the option for YouTube in the pop-up window. Then, paste the YouTube video link that you want to share with your students and click the arrow button to upload the video. You can also edit the title of the video if desired before adding it to the playlist. To play the video, click on the YouTube icon, and then click on Media Share to broadcast it to your students. This will display the video on their screens, and you can control it as the teacher, including the ability to fast forward, rewind, and adjust the audio. Note that students can only view what the teacher chooses to show. In summary, this method offers an easy and effective way to incorporate YouTube videos into your teaching and engage your students in a more interactive and dynamic learning experience. Happy teaching!